marketing software called VidScribe AI that helping video marketers unleash massive traffic from the entire world. Easily unlock a fresh and high quality traffic source that 99% of your competition hasn't exploited. Do you have videos which you can only use in a particular language? Are you facing troubles in converting one video into multiple languages using different software and still not getting the desired traffic? Then you are at the right place now. I'm going to show you inside of VidScribe dashboard that included many features. You have no technical knowledge, no problem. You will get here training videos so that you can set up campaign and understand menu option of left side of VidScribe interface. Most of the important thing is here. You will see all menu option of dashboard as well. Get VidScribe AI today and also claim your video marketing training that shows you how to drive more traffic and sales from language. Don't leave it to success to chance. Learn from the marketer that specializes in language search and generates tens of thousands of visitors every month from it. Okay, let's jump into software interface with what software action and how will it works.
This is your friend Jeet, and I want to welcome you to VidScribe. This is an amazing, powerful software that we have created to help you reach the markets that you could not reach earlier. And how does it do that? By localizing your videos in multiple languages, targeting all the major countries of the world, all the major languages of the world. And VidScribe can do three things. First thing, it can transcribe your existing video and recognize the audio and turn it into a transcript that can be automatically translated into an SRD file. So that's number one. It gives you SRD file in your selected language instantly. So you can pick up English, and from English you can make an SRD file into literally thousands of languages. Number two, it will create video subtitles and overlay them on your video. So you can have a subtitle video for your original video, from your original video, and that subtitle video you can put online. It's going to be 100% unique video targeting the language that you want to target, and that's a perfect way of actually exploring your market, reaching multiple places with just one video. And number three, it can actually redub your video. So you put in a video in English and it can automatically use speech synthesis AI technology to redub your video into your target language. So let's get started. When you start the software, you'll be taken to the dashboard, and this is where you get started. You can actually go to any of the functions from the buttons on the dashboard, or you can just use the sidebar for that and go to any section. Let's get started by going to campaigns. You have to create a new campaign first. Click on add campaigns. Give your campaign a name like video outreach, whatever you want to call it. You can call it that. I'm just fixing. Submit, then click on start. And the first thing you need to do is upload a video file. So just click on upload a file, and you can do it two ways. You can either select a file from your hard drive, or you can give it a URL from YouTube, and it's going to automatically download the file, download the video from YouTube and put it in there. I'm going to use the file upload and upload a file from my own computer. Double click, and then you can select the language of the source. So you have got these many options, and English is there, of course. You can select the exact English variant that you need and then click on submit. Next thing that VidScribe has to do is use AI technology to get the transcript. Click on the get the transcript button, then click on generate the transcript, and it's gonna take a little time. Your transcript is now queued because it's going to talk to the servers. It's going to get the transcript from the server using AI. So you can see the status of the task in the task section. And once there is progress, so first the transcript will be processed, so it's going to show you a notification, and you can see on the status bar too, started transcripting uploaded video for campaign and the name of the campaign and all. And once the transcript is processed, once the work is finished, you will get a notification again. And when you go into campaigns this time, you shall see a button that is blue in color for review transcript. Right now, still waiting. You can see in task it's processing, so that will take a couple of minutes, so I'll come back. So the transcripting work is done, and now you can see that you can make SRT, subtitle video or voiceover. But the first thing you want to do is check the transcript. So click on review transcript, and here's the transcript. My particular video is very small, so there's only one dialogue, and this dialogue, this text was actually detected by the AI engine from the audio. So if you got a longer audio, you'll see multiple text here, and you can click the play button to see a preview of the overlay, and it's gonna read out the sentence so that you can understand how it's gonna look. So once you're satisfied with the transcript, if you want to make any changes, you can do so. Once you're satisfied, click on save, and then click on campaigns, come back, and first thing we're gonna do is make SRTs. Click on SRT file, and you can make SRT files in all these languages. So there are literally hundreds of languages. Let's make it in let's say Hindi. Click on go, and it's gonna make an SRT file right over here. You can see the SRT is ready, and you can just download it by clicking on save and then clicking on download, and it's gonna give you the SRT file that you can save and upload to YouTube or Facebook or wherever you want. Again, you can change anything you want over here. Next, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make subtitles on the video. Click on subtitle video, and you will see your text over here. Again, you can change anything you want. You can even change the language of the subtitle. So if you want to do the subtitles in Italian, for example, just click on go, and the entire text will be just translated to Italian. The number of dialogues, all of the dialogues will be right over here. I'm gonna go back to Hindi, click on go, and it's gonna be in Hindi now. Click on play, and you can see how the subtitles will be laid out. You can double click on the box over here to see the preview, the original text, so you can actually see what this text was translated from. And if you click on template, you can actually modify what the design should be. So if you want to make the text any bigger, if you want to change the font, if you want to change the background color, all of that is a part of the software, so you can easily do so. Click on save when you're ready. And now let's read up the video in the language you want to read up it into. Click on voiceover video, and you can select what language you want the redubbing in. So here are the options for the redubbing. Let's say you want it in Hindi, and you can also select the gender of the person. So we've got one gender in Hindi, we've selected that gender, we've selected the voice. So according to the language, you will find multiple options available. For example, in Russian, you've got two options. Let's go back to Hindi, and this is the option in Hindi. Here you can actually select the language for the subtitles too. So you can have the voiceover and the subtitles in different language. So if I want to have the subtitles in Russian, I can have that. Click on go. You can modify the text. You can modify the text if you want to. Double click to preview the original text to give you clues. And once you're done, click on save, and just click on generate video to make your new voiceover video. We can call it test, and let's call it voiceover. Click on save, and again your voiceover is queued. If you go into tasks, you can see that it's queued, and once it's generated, once it's finished, you will get a notification. It's already done.
मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूं कि हमारा उत्पाद वर्णन करेगा जो एक सॉफ्टवेयर है.
You can see that the video was created pretty much instantly because this was a very small clip that I used for testing, and I've got this video in the voiceover. If you wanted subtitles too, all you needed to do was click on voiceover, click on check to add subtitles, and then click on save, click on generate, and this time we will get voiceover with subtitles. Click on save. Again, the task is queued, and in a few minutes or seconds, depending on the length, you will get the notification that it's done.
Facebook, मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता
So here's our video with the subtitles and the voiceover.
उत्पाद वर्णन करेगा जो एक सॉफ्ट.
Alright, so this is what it's gonna do for you. You're gonna have a bunch of videos that you can distribute on the internet, targeting multiple languages. So this way you can reach out to markets in Latin America. You can reach out to the markets in Asia. You can reach out to the markets in Europe. And the best thing is you can put out videos in their own languages. That means you will have less competition because you're going to target the keywords, you're going to target the rankings in the local languages. Also, your text is going to be readable, your audio is going to be there in the language that they can understand, which really makes them want to click on the video and see. And there you can have your own call to actions, you can have your links, you can have your products, you can promote affiliate products, whatever you want to do, all through this. And you can also use these videos as a source of backlinks, because you know that YouTube wants a lot of fresh content, and when you have a lot of fresh videos, all of those videos will not be duplicate, because the audio is different, the subtitle is different. You can upload them to different accounts, and you can have backlinks pointing to your main video. It can rank better. You can drive views from all the videos that you create to your main video. And of course, you're gonna show up in local language search. Let me show you. So I looked for a Hindi term. This is Facebook marketing. I looked for it in Hindi, and you can see that the top 3 results are actually videos. So when you create your local language videos using VidScribe, you can actually target these markets. You can target these videos. Your videos can show up there, and you can drive fresh traffic that you won't be able to reach otherwise, and create markets, create sources of traffic that none of your competitors are trying to tap. Best thing, you can add your YouTube account, your Dropbox account, or your Facebook account to VidScribe, and VidScribe will automatically post your videos to them using the upload section. You can just select the language, select the campaign, and select the video that you want to push in. You can put in the titles, the descriptions that you want, put in the tags that you want, select the channel that you want to upgrade to upload to in any of or all of those sources. Click on upload, and your video will be uploaded to YouTube, Facebook, or Dropbox in a matter of minutes, direct from VidScribe. From Dropbox, you can actually set up an integration to automatically post from your phone to Instagram, to Snapchat, so that you won't have to copy the video over manually to your phone by connecting it and then post it to those channels. So this is actually a complete software. It not only generates the videos in local languages, you can do SRTs, you can do subtitles, you can read up the entire video, and you can also upload it to your social channels, YouTube, Facebook, or through Instagram and Snapchat through Dropbox. Again, you can see the status of your tasks to the task report. You can see the upload report to see how many videos have been uploaded, what's left. And in the settings menu, you can set the app defaults up so that you won't have to modify them every time, and you will save a lot of time next time you put in videos. VidScribe is designed to be extremely easy to use. You can set it up yourself, you can do everything yourself without going through complex circles or trainings, and you'll be able to generate fresh traffic, drive traffic from the local markets all over the world without having to go through a lot of hoops. So I hope you will use VidScribe in your business. Keep me notified how it goes. This is Cyril Jeet, your friend in internet marketing, signing off.